Hey, welcome guys to the Trucker John Show. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, 2019. I'm in Altoona, PA this afternoon. Just got unloaded. Gonna get the trailer ready to roll here and head on down the road. We're gonna make a stop in Lamar, PA, and I'm gonna get a shower. And then we'll go on down to Brenningsville, do a drop and hook. And hopefully tonight my trailer is ready. A little bit earlier than last night. Okay, so tomorrow's delivery is going to be in Painted Post, so don't have really that long of a day today. It's only about 400 miles altogether, so it ain't too bad. Get about 3.5 hours into Brenningsville from here and about the same back up to Painted Post. So we should be, if everything goes well, we should be in Painted Post no later than 1 a.m. And the delivery there is noon tomorrow, so it's not too shabby. That'll give me 11 hours off. Sure is nice out today. It's about 70 degrees out right now. Got a little bit of a view here overlooking down towards Altoona. Nice day. Okay guys, we're getting off here at Lamar, PA. We're gonna go to the TA truck stop here. And I think I'm gonna fill up now instead of later. I'm pretty busy here. So you got a bunch of truck stops right here. You got the TA that we're going to. You got the Flying J across the street. And then on the other side of the highway, there's the Pilot. And I think there's no, I think that's it over there. But it's pretty busy. Almost looking like it wants to rain here down to the south. We're facing south right now. Okay, so I'll get my fuel here and then I'm going to run inside and get a shower. So I'll probably lose at least an hour here, probably longer. Especially if the showers are tied up right now. Okay. You see when I pull into the fuel island here how the pumps they're not across from each other, they're like staggered. So my left side is where my DEF is and I got to pull up a lot further than that hose will reach to be able to get the right side fuel line in. Should do it about there. Okay, let's go get our fuel. Get our stuff together here Make sure we went off duty. Yep, we did. We went off duty. Let's get our shower bag. All right, gonna go in and take a shower. Gonna put on another green shirt like the one I'm wearing, so you guys know that I'm changing my shirt. I have a lot of these green ones, I have a lot of blue ones, I have black ones. So I got a lot of the same color, and they're all Carhartt t-shirts, which I really like to wear for work. They hold up well, and I like them. So let's see, get rid of these. Starting to drizzle outside too. Got to go into the TA app here and get a shower. Let's see, reserve a shower on the app. So we're going to go instant shower, make reservation, select location. We're at Lamar, and we're going to use our shower credit. Okay, we're driver 140. Let's see if we get an email right away. What they'll do is they'll send you an email when your shower's ready. Didn't look busy though. It should be popping up here. Yep, there it is. TA shower system. Shower number 4 is ready. So we're gonna run in here and grab a shower, and then we'll get back on the road. Okay, we'll talk to you in a little bit. Alright guys, we are done with our shower and heading out of the truck stop here. Looks like it rained a little bit while I was inside. It was drizzling when I went in. The truck stop's not very crowded yet. It is 7 o'clock at night. Got a lot of spots left. Probably not even half full. Probably be pretty full by morning, I'd imagine. it is 9:25 p.m. We just got here into Brenningsville. We'll get through security up here and then drop her empty and hopefully pick up our loaded trailer. Hopefully it's ready. I haven't heard anything yet, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right, let's get unhooked and get over to the office. Get in there, get in there. Okay, so the load is not ready, and I've actually been waiting about an hour and 15 minutes now, something like that. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm going to give it till midnight tonight. If it's not ready by midnight, I'm going to go ahead and take my break. If it is ready before midnight, that'll be okay, because I still got 5 hours to work. You know, as of midnight, I'll still have 5 hours, and it only takes about 4 hours to get up to paint and post, so we'll see what happens. I'm really hoping it gets ready. Last night they told me, oh yeah, everything will definitely be ready by midnight, and so I waited and I didn't take my break, and it was like 1:15 when I got out of here last night. 1:15 a.m. I'd say that'd actually be this morning, right? But anyway, I'm gonna sit here and relax, rest my eyes a little bit, and see what happens at midnight. Anyway, the yard trucks are driving back and forth, pulling trailers in and out, so I guess they're doing something. All right, we'll let you know what happens. Okay, well, it is midnight, and I haven't heard anything yet. I guess the load's not ready, so I'm going to end up staying here. I'm going to take my break here and pick it up in the morning and head on up to Paint and Post. So I want to thank everybody for joining me here on the Trucker John Show today. Glad you could be here. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's free. So I want to thank you again for being here, and come see me tomorrow again. I'll make a video just about every weekday and sometimes on the weekend. Thanks for being here, guys. Take care.